Today we're diving into a fascinating topic. Do plants scream when they're stressed? You might think, how can a plant scream? They don't have vocal cords like us, right? Well, scientists have discovered that plants indeed communicate distress in a way that's quite mind-blowing. Recent studies show that when plants like tomatoes and tobacco experience stress, whether from lack of water or injury, they emit ultrasonic sounds. These screams are not audible to the human ear, but can be heard by certain animals like bats and mice, which suggests that plants have developed their own form of communication over time. But what do these sounds actually sound like? Imagine popping bubble wrap. That's kind of what it resembles. In fact, when researchers monitored stressed plants, they recorded these bursts of sound occurring at frequencies too high for us to perceive, specifically between 20 to 100 kilohertz. In a quiet environment, these plants could make up to 35 of these pops per hour when stressed. However, when they're well hydrated and healthy, it's as quiet as a whisper. So, why would a plant need to communicate like this? One theory is that these sounds could attract certain animals that might help the plant, or serve as a warning signal to other plants nearby. It's also important to consider how we treat our houseplants at home. If they're silent and droopy, they might be literally crying for help. Scientists are even developing machine learning algorithms to identify different types of plant stress based on these sounds. This could revolutionize how we care for crops and gardens in the future. Next time you water your plants or tend to your garden, remember, they might be talking about their needs in ways we simply can't hear. How incredible is that? Let's respect their silent screams and give them the care they deserve.